Hello everyone, hope you're doing well today. I'm Taffany and I want to welcome you into my garden. This is Tika's Gardens and these are my rose trees. They are iceberg rose trees and they are not looking so hot. The first one on the left has never had leaves and it has only had a few blooms. The one on the right has had leaves. It has had blooms, it smells divine, but they're just not performing like I expected and hoped. And I just don't think they look good sitting here in front of the vegetable garden. They basically look like little Charlie Brown trees. So I'm going to take them out, move them to the back, try to rehab them because they've been fertilized and babied and everything, but they're just not performing. So out they go. I'll see if I can revive them in the back. And I'd rather have nothing here than something that looks like it's dead. So let's get them out. Well, this is what it looks like with them removed. Outside of the fact that African basil is just insanely wild and covering most of the walkway in the vegetable garden, I think that it looks better without those standing there looking like dead sticks. The hope is that they can be revived, as I said before, and, get full of leaves and lush and all that with beautiful blooms that smell great. But I would rather have nothing right there than to have something that just doesn't look good. But speaking of look good, the walkway looks great. The grass is looking great. I'm pleased with a lot of things in the garden. Of course, I wish it was, much further along, the anticipation of it becoming a mature garden, but things are looking so good. Taking a look at this front bed here that we worked on the other day. Everything is looking great, and I think maybe we need to do a little garden tour so we can kind of go into a little bit more detail of what's here. But it looks great. The mulch looks good. We definitely have to get more mulch down for the bedroom garden, but yeah, I'm loving it. And as we come back along here and we walk this pathway, even the back long border here is looking good. the little salvia seedlings that we dug up from the front there when we were cleaning out that entry bed garden. They're looking great on both sides. The fan flowers are looking good. There's more of the little seedlings. So really, guys, just, when you're gardening, just pay attention to what is in your garden. You may see little seedlings coming up from last year's flowers. Don't throw them away. Just find somewhere in the garden to reuse them. We have these here in the back. So I've just stuck them, in many different places. And I think it looks good. And these back beds are holding up well. Everything's looking so great. Lamb's ear is looking good. It is starting to show a few signs of stress in those back ones, but it's looking good overall. What can I say? I'm so pleased with the outcome of this garden. Wow. Man, I'm just speechless. But we have to get working on this bed here. We have to finish mulching it and, get things together there so it looks nice. But, you get to things as you can afford to. And things are coming along nicely. And Miss Tika has enjoyed every minute of being in the garden, as always. And these are the little salvias that I purchased from the garden on clearance price. They, I hope that they grow tall and become really, really pretty with their tall red plumes. So we will see how they go. But for now, guys, we are done in the garden for today. It's just a nice little short day of removing the roses. So thank you for being in the garden with me today. I want to thank you for following along. Please remember to like the videos so you can increase my appearance in the YouTube algorithm. And remember to subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with me and what's going on in the garden, me and Tika, our adventures. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.